Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to learn different types of firewalls and decide which one is best and suitable for you as per implementation environment. So let's take a start. Firewall protects the computers from internet hackers. Internet hackers can steal our account details from computers or laptops and can reduce our bank balance from millions of dollars to zero within fraction of second. So firewall is must in a computer or in a computer network. There are three types of firewalls. Number 1, packet filtering firewall. Number 2, application or proxy firewall. Number 3, hybrid firewall. Before starting with firewall types, you should must know what are data packets. When we want to download a file of size 300 MB from internet, then we will not receive the entire 300 MB data at once, but we will receive small packets like 6 MB every second. Some of part of this 6 MB packet is occupied with information like which computer is sender or which is the receiver, etc. The remaining portion of the 6 MB packet contains the part of the actual data that we want to download. So part of actual data plus some information together forms a data packet or IP packet, and this part of actual data is called payload. So now we can start with firewall types, starting with packet filtering firewall. Suppose I am downloading a file from internet. When the data packet arrives a packet filtering firewall, it only checks the sender and receiver IP address and the port number present in the data packet. The rules written in a list called access control list is used for data packet verification. If everything is right, then the data packet is authorized to pass through packet filtering firewall and then to my computer. But what is port number? Actually, these are some digits written after IP addresses, separated with colon, and are used for successful data packet transfer. The packet filtering firewall is already present in internet routers, so they are the cheapest and quickest way to implement. The only limitation of packet filtering firewall is that it don't checks the data portion, that is a payload of the data packet. So a hacker could send some malicious code tagged in a payload section. Hence packet filtering firewall provides low security. Next is application or proxy firewall. Let's understand it with an example. Suppose your coach asks you to buy a ball from the market. You go to the shop, buy the ball and come ground back and give the ball to your coach. Here you have done the work that your coach wanted you to do without letting the shopkeeper know who actually wanted that ball. Same is in the case of application firewall. Replace the shopkeeper with internet and your coach with personal computer and yourself with proxy firewall. Like you did not let the shopkeeper know that your coach was the one who actually wanted that ball. Similarly, proxy firewall do not let the internet know which computer actually wanted to visit the requested website. That is proxy firewall hide us from attackers in internet. Let us understand this whole process. User enters the website www.browse.com in the web browser. Proxy firewall receives the request and forward it to the internet. The web server in internet receives the request and respond back to the firewall with the requested information. The proxy firewall receives the information and forward it to the original client for giving his player. In this whole process, web server thinks that proxy firewall is the one who wants to visit the www.browse.com. That is, proxy firewall do not let the web server know the original client. So proxy firewall protect us from potential attackers in internet by not disclosing our computer's identity. But I should say that not disclosing our computer's IP address, since application firewall also checks the payload of the received data packet. So they are generally much slower than packet filtering firewall. Third is hybrid firewall. Hybrid firewalls combines packet filtering firewall and proxy firewall in series to enhance the security. If they are connected in parallel fashion, then the security of the connection will be reduced to the parameters defined by packet filtering firewall. That is, application firewall will be of no use if the two firewalls are connected in parallel fashion. For this reason, hybrid firewall use packet filtering and application firewall in series. As a result, hybrid firewall provides best security compared to packet filtering and application firewalls. Now, which firewall will be the best for us will depend on which implementation environment. For example, packet filtering firewall will be the best for low risk environment like florist shop. Application firewall will be the best for medium risk environment like university, and hybrid firewall will be the best for high risk environment like hospital whose database contains important reports of the patients. Now you can choose a firewall as per your needs.
If you enjoyed this video, a thumbs up would be really appreciated. Don't forget to subscribe to the SoftTerm channel and hit the bell icon to never miss an update on our latest trending technologies. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more from SoftTerms.